Hello and welcome to this website review of AvaTrade, Trade with Confidence. So this is the homepage of their website. Trade with confidence and benefit from regulation across 6 jurisdictions, ultra low spreads. What else? Multilingual live customer service, that's pretty useful. Award-winning AvaTrade Go app, which I'll check out after this. 24/7 cryptocurrency trading, that's awesome. 1,250 assets including indices and stocks. Great. So what we're going to focus on today is actually they've got a lot of stuff on this site, which is great. So much great information and loads of things that you can actually do, but the education section is something I'm particularly interested in. So here's the education section tab. I'm actually going to click on the main section of education here. So we've got trading videos to start with. Trading video platforms, 14 video tutorials, trading basics, 8 video tutorials. I mean, there's a lot of video tutorials here. Let's just have a look at trading basics. 8 different videos, wow. So we've got leverage and margin, what is analysts and trading. Let's just check that one out, see what the quality of their videos is like. Wow, it's great.
Sources, Newswise, and previous data.
It's high production value video, so they obviously put a lot of effort into these explainer videos. Let's go back to trading videos. So yeah, they've got videos on, I guess, everything really. Market analysis, plan your trades and trade your plans. Technical analysis and implementation. I mean, there's just dozens and dozens of videos. You could probably learn, by the looks of it, almost everything about trading from just one website, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's the videos. I mean, that's the real spoon-fed content. I mean, there's enough of that already, and then we've got all this to go over as well. So let's go on trading for beginners. Okay, beginners training guides. So here I'm guessing we're going to be more document-based. So let's have a look what we've got here. Our trading for beginners section gives you all the information you need to start trading Forex and CFDs with confidence. Sounds good. How to trade online. So let's see what they've got here for that. Okay, so we've got another video. I imagine that's from the other part of the website, but it's still useful here. And wow, look at all these different sections for just this first part. How to trade online, how to trade Forex, why would you trade currencies, how to perform a trade, learn how to trade online with AvaTrade. I mean, that's just amazing, the amount of information they have on here. Why would you trade currencies, how to perform a trade. So we've got all these different sections here. How to trade gold online. So back on beginners training guides, I mean, that was just how to trade online, but now we've got how to trade stocks. What is currency trading? What is copy trading? How to trade cryptocurrency, which is obviously very much a hot topic at the moment. What is a pip? Look at all this, all these resources. I'm blown away by how much there actually is here. Let's just choose a random. Actually, let's choose the cryptocurrency one. I'm interested by that one. How to trade cryptocurrency. So we've got what is cryptocurrency, trade cryptocurrencies with AvaTrade, how to trade. I mean, the resources are just incredible. And it looks, you know, that we're not talking dozens and dozens of pages of content to try and ingest. This looks like a nice bit of information that's well written by the looks of it, and explains things very well. Factors to watch for trading cryptocurrencies, general tips. I mean, wow. I'm very, very impressed. Let's see what else under education. So we've done trading videos and trading for beginners. That's enough to keep you busy for a whole day's worth of education there. So we've got correct trading rules. This sounds a little bit more boring, but probably just as important as anything else. Okay, this is interesting. So we've just got very short and quick points. As you embark on your online trading journey, knowing how to trade effectively goes beyond just being able to open and close positions. Okay, that's interesting. Actually, these are some good little tidbits. I thought this was going to be like law and regulation, which would be boring but important. But this is more interesting. A trading plan details how you will execute your trading, or basically how you will conduct your trading techniques. Interesting. So this is like a little kind of like cheat sheet, I guess. What is a trading plan? What is a trading value? We've got even more categories down here. That's just insane, the amount of stuff that's on here. Trading rules. So that's trading rules. I mean, tons more content on there. It would take days, if not weeks, to get through everything on this website, which is great. Technical trading strategies. This sounds interesting. Okay, so we've got some more write-ups. No videos on this one. I mean, this is getting a lot more technical here, I can tell. Trading with support and resistance levels. I mean, this is obviously going from really basic trading principles and knowing and understanding what you're getting into, all the way up to really technical stuff here. I mean, like Fibonacci trading strategies. I mean, that's some high level stuff. So these guys are obviously got a lot of know-how in and around and everything to do with trading, from basic stocks and shares all the way to crypto and everything else in between. So we've got another piece of video resource here. Loads more information. I mean, look at this. Fibonacci levels. I mean, this is very, very high level stuff we're talking about here. It's all here on this education part of the website. I mean, it's just so impressive. And we're not even halfway through all of their resources. Let's move on and look at economic indicators. Another video, which is just great. If you don't want to read everything, just watch a short video, 3 minutes of your time. And they're nicely put together. So yeah, economic indicators. We've got more text, more explanations, and even more subsections for that. An FAQ, that's always fantastic. What is the best economic indicator? Why is GDP considered such an economic indicator? At this point, I'd like to actually point out that this website is really well designed as well. I think the layout of the education section is great. It's nice and neat. It's not all technical. Like just go education and see trading videos. That's what I want. I'm a beginner. That's what I want. And I think it's just nice to have a nice, simple, well-designed website for this kind of stuff, because it can get a bit overwhelming, some of the other sites. So we've got, where are we now? Market terms. So this is like a glossary, I guess. Asset, bid, ask price, spread, day trading, swing trading. Look at all these categories. What is arbitrage? And another entire page. It's just, I'm so impressed. So impressed with the level of detail gone into this education section with AvaTrade's website. It's really impressive. What is drawdown? What is currency peg? I mean, I don't think they've left anything to chance here. I think you can learn everything about trading and then some in this one section, and it's all free as well. It's just there sitting on the internet. You don't even have to register. But I think I would certainly be comfortable trying a free demo with these guys, given that they're giving away so much free information and great information by the looks of it. It's just, yeah, it's brilliant. Online trading strategies. And obviously I've just realized here we've got all of the education section in this handy little sidebar as well, and we can actually expand and collapse the actual different subsections. I mean, look at that. For trading for beginners, this is really cleverly designed. They haven't reinvented the wheel here. They don't need to. They've just made it perfectly simple and perfectly digestible. Great user experience here. Market terms, there you go. You just got the questions. I want to know what liquidity is. Boom, I'm there. And it's, we're not talking tons and tons of content, and it's written for, the layman, really. You can understand all of this no matter who you are. So let's see what else we've got. Order types, online trading strategies. Don't think we've been here yet. Again, we've got tons more content, market orders, pending orders, another FAQ, which is really useful. An ebook. Oh wow! So I guess they've got a whole ebook, which I imagine has got tons more fantastic information. That's a sign up and receive that. Another free asset there, which is just invaluable, really. I think it's incredible the amount of stuff they've got on here. And then you can get an ebook for free as well, which I imagine has got some nice little bits of insider info. And we've got the blog, and I bet there's some interesting articles on here. Lots of insights into markets analysis and the economy, which obviously has a lot of interest in it at the moment. These are the kind of articles I enjoy reading a lot. Okay, well that's AvaTrade's education section. I mean, like I say, you could spend days, weeks, maybe even months, I don't know, on this section of the website. Obviously, it's a lot of stuff to take in, so you may need to read and take things in, once or twice to fully understand it. But I think there's something for everyone here. I mean, for the novice investor or someone who's only just, come into a bit of money and wants to start investing, this is clearly the place to be in terms of finding out everything you need in a nice, easy to digest manner. You've got everything here. I mean, obviously I would jump straight into trading videos and go to trading basics to start learning everything, because I think that's a nice, easy way to start learning. And then I'd go into the articles and go in for the trading for beginners there, and go through all of these. I mean, it seems daunting, but I think the way they've laid it out is nice. It just gives you one piece of information at a time, explains it, so you can take all that in at your own pace, essentially. And then once, I guess, you're comfortable with the level of knowledge that you've got, register, try a free demo, work your details in, and then get trading.